Hello everyone, my name is Nafiz Alamdeep and I am very much excited to submit my application for Clarkson Ignite Presidential Fellows Scholarship 2025. My passion for business grew at a young age through hands-on experiences by selling greetings card, Pokemon card, gift card and temporary tattoos, which led me to visiting numerous business meetings with my father, analyzing them, reading business documentaries and articles. This led me to take business as a major at Clarkson University. My entrepreneurial journey began at a young age, not in a boardroom but on the sidewalks of my neighborhood. During my school holidays, I wasn't just enjoying myself playing video games, but rather decided to become a budding entrepreneur, selling things like gift cards, greeting cards, and temporary tattoos, etc. Meeting sales target wasn't very easy for the very first time. I quickly realized that successful selling doesn't require to have a high quality product, but rather understanding the psychology of consumer choices. In the situation, I discovered the power of a good demonstration, showing the customers how to apply the tattoos, featuring the colors, the unique designs, and the logos it had, and also offering a freebie on their first purchase boosted up my sales. Moreover, the designs that I sold in the first place were not getting the consumers' attraction. So I decided to change the logos and designs it had by taking it to a different level by using cultural events, logos, and signs, and also keeping customizable tattoos as another option. This boosted up my sales much gigantically than the previous tattoos did. The early experiences taught me the valuable lessons for marketing, customer interaction, and the importance of understanding consumer behavior. I thrive in competitive environment. The challenge of competing against other students, the thrill of developing innovative solutions, and the experiences and the satisfaction of achieving success. These are the experiences that drive me. I'm confident that at Clarkson, I will be competing at highly competitive business competitions, not only for my personal achievements, but to enhance my skills and to contribute to the success of the university. I believe that my experiences and qualities align with the criteria of your scholarship and respectfully request for your consideration. Thank you.